Well, welcome HIST 101 students. I am your professor for the next 5.5 weeks, Professor Lori Benelou. I just wanted to share this short video to introduce myself a little bit and to give you an idea of what's going to be going on in Unit 1. Can't wait to meet you all. On Monday, my office hour chat schedule for this week is as follows. On Monday, May 18th, I'll hold my first office hour session from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. It's a great time to either email me or message me through the C2 app, the messenger portion of the C2 app, and I will get back to you right away. And it's just a great way to keep in touch with me. Every week I will be holding my office hours at the same time on Monday. And then Tuesday, see your class schedule for the time. It will always be the same time. Every Tuesday, our chat number 1. I will be introducing the course and myself, of course, and I will be going over the Cold War and the 1950s. A lot of fun stuff we can get into. I will also be discussing the Unit 1 discussion board and Unit 2 discussion board. So cannot wait to meet you all. Also, another thing I need to go over is the Unit 1 due dates. On Friday, which will be May 22nd, there will be 2 important things due on Friday, May 22nd. First of all, your Unit 2 determined knowledge is going to be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I will be going over the importance of determined knowledge in chat number 1. Another thing that you have due on the 22nd, which will be Friday, May 22nd, is your Unit 1 discussion board. This is a really fun assignment where you introduce yourself to the class, and this is our way of getting to know each other. I absolutely love it and enjoy reading it. So that will also be due May 22nd by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So you have 2 important things due, your Unit 1 determined knowledge due on May 22nd and your Unit 1 discussion board. All right, everybody, can't wait to meet you all. Hope this gears you up and gives you a little taste of what's going on in Unit 1. Have a good week.